everybody, and welcome to this video on the sine graph. In this video, we have a look at the horizontal shift, which is represented by the letter P in our graph. So just a reminder, the equation of the most general form of the sine graph is y is equal to a sine of bx minus p plus q, and it is the p value that shifts the graph left and right. So what we need to remember is that the positive value shifts it left. So here we have the positive shifts left, and that is quite opposite to what we expect, because we expect left to be negative, but because of this minus sign in the equation, it reverses the direction. So a positive value shifts it left and a negative value shifts it right. Okay, so that is how we can tell whether a graph has been shifted. So let us have a diagram. Look at the diagram. So here in white we have the original sine graph. So f of x is equal to sine x. As you see, it goes through the very usual points that we spoke about in the earlier program. So then what we have is g of x is equal to 90 minus x. This has been shifted 90 degrees. In which direction? Well, the negative tells us that it is right. So then having a look at the white diagram, you see that to get to the yellow diagram, everything has been shifted 90 degrees to the right. For the pink diagram, we have h of x is equal to x plus 45. So this here has been shifted 45 degrees to the right. Sorry, to the left, because it is positive. So once again, comparing the pink graph and the white graph, you see that the white graph, every part of it has been shifted 45 degrees to the right. You can see that the shifts change the value of the x-intercept and the y-intercept of the graph. What you can note that stays the same for all of them is it doesn't change the range. So the range is still between -1 and +1. So there is the shifts. Let us have a look at an example. So let's have a look here. What changes has been made to the graph? Well, here we have -30, the p-value is -30. So this has been shifted 30 degrees to the, which direction corresponds to negative? It is the right. And